Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Adam, and this is part 2 of the handrail project for my mom. And I was able to go dry fit this at the house, and there's only one small change. I'm going to add about an inch to the bottom of this first post to make up for the slope of the sidewalk. But other than that, I am ready to start installing, cutting and installing all of the spindles. So it looks like I've got some approximate 4-inch spacing between spindles. I'm gonna need a total of, looks like 15 of those. So I'm gonna start cutting and welding. I've only got about an hour and a half tonight. I'm here after work. So let's just see what I can get done. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay guys, well, didn't quite make it as far as I'd hoped.
No shit.
But I am running out of time. So this is probably as far as I'm going to get tonight. But I did have some time to look. And if anybody watched some of this welding, no, I am not a professional welder. And so there's going to be some prep work that's going to need to be done, grinding down these welds to make it look good. And when I did my staircase at my own house, I used a 30-gallon air compressor, and it was slow, and yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. But if you watch the channel, then you know recently I purchased this, an 80-gallon DeWalt air compressor, which
That's a huge bitch.
which is more than enough to do what I need. And I have plans to move it in this little storage room right over here. And it just so happens that we have 240 power, or 220 power, right there. Leftovers from the previous owner, some 10 gauge wire. So my intention is to remove this, install the air compressor over here, stub a air line through the wall to keep the noise in this closet. Well, it's more than a closet. And yeah, so that's a good find. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll get the railing completely done before Mom gets home, but I will have it welded up, and I'll install it and then uninstall it most likely, and sand it down, grind all the welds, and paint it, and then reinstall it. She'll be happy either way. So thanks for watching. If you want to see me try to get that 350-pound air compressor into that little closet. Then,
Yeah, good luck.
and stay tuned because that's coming up. Thanks for watching.